Activia. Here is Chef Benzema and Chef Lebezi.
Today, we're going to show you how to make our famous nachos. So you grab nachos.
You grab a chip, not nacho,
You grab your chip.
and eat over making.
I recommend Activia.
Not your plate, okay?
Your plate.
This is buona. This is a safe, easy dish. Eat this mozzarella.
And your plate. And Activia.
And you take fuck up the camera.
Here you go.
Here's a little cheese. Chef Benzema, take the salsa.
Okay.
And get a spoon from the drawer. Actually, 2 spoons. Okay, Ratatouille?
Okay. E. Mama's famous salsa. Ha 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 ha.
Sorry for the little bit of laughter.
We got technical difficulties going on. Grab Mama's famous salsa.
And don't dip it.
It's just an armpit here, is it?
Yes, it's kidding. Hey, look at this. Sour cream. I recommend La Chona.
Tell me what
Oh, I wasn't supposed to put that in yet.
That's it.
We're supposed to put this in the famous
Microwave.
May looking thing. It is called a microwave. Bake it at 350. No, I'm just kidding. It's a bake it at 30 seconds.
Yeah, 30 seconds.
30. Yeah.
No plates, no seconds.
You hear that sound? Oh, my microwave just broke.
Please excuse the technical difficulties.
Okay, that's good enough. The cheese kind of melted a too much.
Is the cheese melted?
As you can see, you want a little good posture. Look at that cheese melted. It's beautiful.
Isn't it?
Okay. You take this, and then you come over here.
And then you grab Mama's Nutella.
And eat it for dessert. Okay?
Okay.
And then put some sour cream. Izara. And now, Chef Benzema poured the salsa on to the nachos. And I will serve us a nice glass of lemonade.
I'll do it in front of the camera. This is Mama's salsa. This is our chips.
As you can see, observe his skills. Okay, that is perfect. Now move it away.
When you're done, it should look like this.
Okay, as you can see, we fresh squeezed our lemonades because it says Minute Maid right here.
Took a minute to make.
We did not buy it at the store.
Buy it at your local retailers.
And we did not buy it at the local store. We made it.
The only local retail is us.
Okay?
Okay. Okay.
The last Chef Benzema.
Okay. Refresco.
Is you called Chef Benzema?
Gracias.
Okay. Delicious. Okay, now to taste these Delicious nachos. I'm just kidding. Very good. This is one.
Get this up.
This is excellent.
Get this up.
We cannot separate it. How is it, Chef Benzema?
Mwah.
Delicious. Okay, that is all we have for today. Bye bye.